Britannia still rules the waves, another ocean giant about to be launched at Clydeside. For months the shipyard has echoed to the din of hammers and drills, but today it's the cheering crowd that is making all the noise. Britain is great, and by George she'll stay great, so long as men toil to build beauties like this one. It's only right that royalty should be present to give this grand lady of the sea a fitting send-off.
I'm happy to name this ship the Queen Mary.